Hello everyone. So this is my ePortfolio for Education 325 Children's Literature. In this class, I participated in weekly modules, discussed children's literature and virtual discussions, created a reader response blog, created a self-selected virtual library, a family literacy backpack, a book trailer, studied a specific children's author, and also volunteered in the Family Learning Conference this year at the University of Laverne, and also did some other miscellaneous assignments that relate to children's literature. So after reflecting on my work for this class, I believe that my self-selected virtual library best represents me as a teacher. The books that I incorporated in my library encompass a wide range of genres and books that are culturally diverse, represent children with special needs, and different traditions and values. These are the books that I want my future students to read so that they can understand the ethnic and diverse world that we live in today. In regards to the assignment that I am most proud of, I would say that it was definitely the book trailer. When I was creating this project, I really wanted to get students excited about the book of Anne of Green Gables. This assignment taught me about the importance of getting students excited about reading, and how creating digital book trailers like this one could help increase literacy. I think that my most challenging assignment was the family literacy backpack, just because I wanted to create really fun and engaging hands-on activities, which took some extra thought. When I was in elementary school, there were no literacy backpacks, so I was not used to the concept. However, I think that they are amazing, and I would definitely help promote literacy at home. My hopes and wishes for the work I completed in this class is for me to incorporate many of these assignments in lessons in my future classroom, because they are great projects that would make reading fun for kids. I also wish that I can incorporate diverse literature and make sure my students are well read in many types of genres. Overall, I really love this class and would continue reading children's literature throughout my educational journey. Thank you.